We got one faucet on. One faucet on, it works fine. When they switch on the second one, that's when wow. It's like blew the flame out almost. I think it's a venting issue. Check this out. Two faucets on. It blew the flame out that was on. And then that makes a noise. Yeah, that's a venting issue. More than likely. Error code 12. All right, so the issue that I found was a venting issue. The customer installed this themselves, and ever since it's been installed, when it goes into high stage, high fire, it locks out on an error code. The error code is an error code 12, and this could be a venting issue or something else. And I could tell it was a venting issue, so I disconnected the vent up top, just disconnected it so it could breathe better, and the error code stopped. I didn't run it very long, obviously, up there with it disconnected in the attic, just for a very short time to see if that would fix the issue, and it did. Multiple other companies were out here, couldn't figure out what it was. They even ran a 1-inch gas line all the way from the meter to here, thinking it was a gas pressure issue. This is what we deal with. It is a 180,000 BTU tankless water heater, and it's very possible that it did need a bigger gas line, but that wasn't the issue, it was a issue. And so we hooked the pipe back up properly, and everything is running properly now with the shower running, with other multiple faucets running, and the customer is very happy.